So this is a Ford Transit 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine. So I have heard a clunking sound every time now when I'm driving. It's kadunk 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 all the time, and I was thinking that I can change the stabilizer bushing. So I'll show you here what I did. Yeah, so first I did remove this bone, stabilizer bone, so I can freely move that. And then I undid this one. It was 2 bolts, like here, 10 mils. Just undo that from there. And here is the old bushing, and here is the new bushing. And the new bushing did cost something $3-4 or euros, so that's not much to try to get the clunk sound to end. Yeah, so I have the bushing in place and the bolts. Now you see. Yes, I changed both sides bushings. So, and the bushing number I ordered from Autodoc, and it is this number. Yes, this new was pretty much tighter than the old one, so that's good. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.